Yes, so I was trying to figure out if these turtles were real the other day, and I think I've figured it out. They are real. They look so like, literally they didn't move at all for ages. I was here for ages the other day and they didn't move one blink. But now he's just moved his head. And there's also turtles swimming, and also there was 2 here last time. So I figured it out, guys. I really hope that tripod doesn't fall down. It's looking sturdy, so we're good. We're out for a walk today. But I thought I would take you guys with me. This is my like everyday kind of contemplation. I just take it away. And I really love it. Let me just go in my AirPods for a second. It's so peaceful, and it's always like, it's just very chill. There's always people who hiking, or else just chilling, and it's just really nice. Yeah, there's always just people here hiking, reading, exercising, moving, sitting, everything. Very chilled. Having like lunch walks here has really put my mind at ease at times, especially when it's been a long day at work. So I'm really grateful for this park nearby. And that was one thing I was worried about moving from London. I wasn't sure if I'll have much green space, but this park has really gave me the time for myself, and I just knew I needed nature, and that was one thing I was worried that would be lacking in Hong Kong. There's definitely not as much green space in Hong Kong compared to London, or in the UK even, but I do think this park and just being out here, I'm really grateful that I have this option, because I know other places don't, or like even close by for them, they probably have to trek out a bit more. So I'm really grateful for this park. It's such a gorgeous day. It's been like thunder and raining, thunder and lightning actually as well, and windy, just a bit of everything all week. So the weather's picked up and the sun's out, so I had to just come out and take it all in, because I've been working all morning. So I just wanted to take a break. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. I hope you can, but yeah, it's so nice. I just love just even looking into the water. I need to put on my mask because I think I heard someone behind me. This one. But yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. I had to put on my mask for a bit because I only take it off when there's no one else around. But yeah, it's just been really it's just been very nice to get time out in such beautiful settings. I always feel like really recharged after my walk here, because I always find like something new, or like I would go for my usual route, and then the other day I seen like just a turtle. Are they called turtles? Or tortoise, the bigger ones. And he or she was just walking, just chilling. I guess the owner wanted to take out for a walk because it's a very nice park, maybe they're nearby, just for some fresh air. It was just so cute. I was just like doing my usual route, and then all I see is a turtle or a tortoise beside me. What is the correct? What are they? So that's a turtle, and the bigger one's a tortoise, from my memory, my recollection. But yeah, it's been so nice. I just love the sun. I'm really like I always try to make time for it when it's out, and it really puts me in a really good mood, and it changes my mindset, even being out, even just getting some fresh air. Like I said, especially when it's like weekday, coming out and getting some fresh air. And so if this, wait, let me find sunglasses, because I feel like I'm just chatting but you can't see me. So if you guys are working right now and feel a bit like meh, you don't feel motivated, go out for even 10 minutes fresh air. I guarantee you'll come back with a fresher mindset, just like a different perspective, and you'll see something, maybe it will spark from a different direction. You honestly never know. Just go out there, get some movement in you, and get some endorphins, and you'll be good. You'll be set for your task, guys. Just take a breather. Sometimes you just need that. Yes, I'm going to show you guys around the rest of the park if there's not much people around, because I don't want to be getting the camera. I'm a big camera. Like I don't like for videoing when there's lots of people around. Yes, I'm going to put my mask back on. I'll show you guys the fish. There's so many turtles. So many. And then little koi fish. Look how beautiful this park is. This pond is so beautiful as well. That waterfall. This is good. How cute is this? love it. Those people take pictures here. Oh, you know, I know.